Welcome to MH class. Hope all of you are fine. Today we'll discuss some questions related to arithmetic progression for class 11, the NCERT textbook related exercise 9.2 related questions. Okay. Exercise 9.2 for NCERT textbook. See. So before going to discuss the problem, we recall the formula. Which formula will be used to solve the problem? First one is an nth term, that is general term, a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what are the things are there? An, a and d. So four things are there. Out of four things, if any three are given, we can find out the remaining one. A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. And n means nth term. Okay. Next is d, common difference. How to find out the common difference? D is equal to an minus 1. As for example, we can take a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3. In this way you can find out. Okay, d. Next, Sn, sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. If the first term is a and common difference is d, formula is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, or n by 2 a plus l. So any one of these two we can use, but it will depend upon the question. If in the question number of terms, first term and l is the last term is given, then we can use this one. And if number of terms, first term, number of and common difference is given, then we have to directly use this formula. Okay, so it is depend upon the question. Next is relation between an and Sn. an is equal to, what will you write? Sn minus Sn minus 1. An is equal to what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. So these are the things we have to keep in our mind. So be careful. So if this concept is clear, this formula is clear, then we can move to the next step. Exercise question number 1. Say question number 1. What is given question number 1? Question number 1 is find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2000. Sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. From 1 to 2001 means we need to include 1 and 2001 both. That means what? Sn is equal to, we need to find Sn is 1 plus odd 3, next odd is 5, next odd is 7. In this way, we need to find out the sum of 2001. Okay? Now, here what are given? What first term is given, we will get here a is equal to 1. D you can find out 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. What is n? Number of terms. Numbers are 1 to 2001, 1 to 2001, but odd numbers. So how many odd numbers are there? How to find out this one? So with the help of this formula, last term, L is the last term, we can take this one is the last term, and last term is also, it is written as L is equal to An. L is nothing but what? An. So L is equal to An is equal to 2001. From here we get the value of N. Formula of An is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 2001. Implies A is what? 1 plus N minus 1 and D is what? 2. This is into 2001. So transfer this 1 to the right hand side. So N minus 1 into 2 is equal to 2000. 2001 minus 1 is 2000. So what will get? N minus 1 we can divide by 2. This is 1000. Implies N is equal to 1001. So now we get the value of n, number of terms. we need to find out the sum. Here how many terms are there? 1001 terms there. From 1 to 2001, 1001 odd numbers are there. Okay, therefore S1001 is equal to, we can easily use this formula, because number of terms is there, first term is there, last term there, so we'll use this one. So 1001 by 2 into first term plus last term 2001. So 1001 by 2 into 2002. So we can cancel it. 1001 into 1001, how much? 100 2001. This is the answer. Okay, next question, see question number 2. What is given to question number 2? Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 to 1000 which are multiple of 5. That multiple of 5, that means the number should be divisible by 5. Okay, in between 100 and 1000, so we cannot include 100 and 1000. 100 is also multiple of 5, 1000 is also multiple of 5, but it is not said that from this to that. It is said that in between these two numbers. So be careful in reading the question, try to understand. Okay, so the numbers will be what? From 100 to 1000, the multiple of 5, first number is 105, next is 110. The numbers are, we can write in this way, the numbers are 100, this one 120, and last just before this, which is divisible by 5, so 995. So here same way, here first term is 105, common difference is 110 minus 105, that is 5. an is given last term 995. Number of terms we don't know, so we need to find out the number of terms also. So from here we will get the number of terms. A plus n minus 1 into d 995. A is what? 105 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995. This 105 transfer to the right hand side. So 100 n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995 minus 105. N minus 1 into 5, 995 minus 105, 0, then 890. N minus 1 is equal to, this is a multiple of 5. The numbers which ends with 0 and 5, they are divisible by 5, or we can say multiple of 5. So you can divide by 5. So if we divide by 5 this number, in 8 5 will come 1 times, 3 39, 5 will comes 7, okay, 35 48. So n is equal to 179. This is the number of terms. How many terms are there? 179. Therefore S179 is equal to 179 by 2. Again we can use that formula, n by 2 into a plus l. A is what? 105, l is what? 995. So 179 divided by 2 into 105 plus 995, 550 0 10 11. Okay, this can cancel. If we cancel, this will get 550. So 179 into 550, just we multiply 179 by 55, and last letter you put the 0. How much will get? 9 5 is 45, 5 in hand 4, 9 7 is 35, 7 is 35, 35 and 4, how much? 37, 35 and 4 39, 9 1 is 9, 8. So 5 9 8, 5 4 8 9. Okay, So 9845 last is 0. This is the answer. This way you have to solve the question. Okay. So for today's last question we can discuss question number 3. What is question number 3? See, if the first term of an FE is 2, first term is 2, and the sum of the first term is given, first term is 2, A is equal to 2. This is given. Okay. And the sum of first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 of the sum of next 5 terms. Show that. We need to show what? We need to show A20. A20 is equal to minus 112. We need to show this one. A20 and find the sum of first 30 terms. And we have to find out first sum of first 30 terms. This we need to find out. Okay. This is given. This is given. A is equal to 2 given. Given A is equal to 2. Let the terms are, let the terms are, or we can say first term is, shortly we can write A, common difference is D. Okay. According to question, sum of first 5 terms, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 1/4 of next 5 terms, A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Okay. This is according to the question. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 1/4 of A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Now sum of these 5 terms, what we can write? How many terms? 5 terms. So n is 5, 5 by 2. Then first term plus last term. First term is A1, last term is A5. 1 by 4 is there already. Here how many terms are there? 5 terms. So 5 by 2. First term is A6, last term is A10. This 5 by 2 you can cancel. Okay. This 4 can come here. A1 plus A5, A6 plus A10. 4 into A1. A1 is nothing but A plus. A5 we can write A plus 4D. A6 is A plus 5D. A10 is A plus 9D. Okay. So 4 into twice A plus 4D is equal to, here twice A plus 5D plus 9D is 14D. We can little bit make simple. We can divide by 2. So 2 into twice A plus 4D is equal to A plus 7D. 4A plus 8D, A plus 7D. So D is equal to 8D, that is 8D minus 7D is equal to A minus 4A. D is equal to minus 3A. But A is equal to what? A is equal to 6 given. So D is equal to minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6. D is equal to minus 6. We are getting D is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now we need to find out what? First one is A20. We have to show the number 1. A20. What is A20? How to write? A plus 19D. A is 2. 19 into minus 6. 2 minus 9 6 are 54, 4 in 5. That is minus 1, 1, 2. So what do we need to show? A20 is equal to minus 1 on 2. So this is first. Second one, we need to find out what? Second one, how do we need to find out? See, second one. Second one, we need to find out S30. What is S30? S30. S30. We need to find out S30. So S30 is what? See, n is equal to 30. So 30 by 2. Then first term is 2 plus 2 into 2 twice a plus n minus 1, n is 30 minus 1, d is what? Minus 6. This formula, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you have to apply. So 15 into 4 minus 29. 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 into 6. How much? 29 into 6. 9 6 are 54, 4 in hand, 5, 12, 17, 174. Okay, so 174. So 15 into minus 170. 15 into minus 170 is equal to minus 2550. This is the answer. So this way you have to solve the questions. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear your doubts, but you have to practice regularly.